poppin', y'all? It's your girl, the SES, exploring all the fire things in life, and I am back with another video for you guys. And as you guys can tell from the title, today is another one of our favorite videos. It's another unboxing videos where I am going to be unboxing these new Jordans that, well, they're not new, but new to me. They are the Jordan 1 Lows, and I'll be unboxing this with you guys today. Before I get into this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to see more videos from me, your girl, as well as hit that like button so other viewers can reach videos just like this. Let's get into this unboxing. All right, you guys, the last couple months have been really hectic for me, but very successful, and I have been nothing but proud of myself, and I decided to treat myself a little gift. Okay, so I decided to get some new shoes for myself. They're the Air Jordan 1 Lows GS is what it says. It's in the white metallic black and gold color. These are my first Jordan Lows, so all my Jordans are pretty much the regular high top Jordans. This is my first like low cut pair of Jordans, so excited about that. Silva, move. Sorry, my cat's shaking the camera, if you guys can't tell. You see? Stop it. So I just copped them. They were actually on sale. They're a good price, and your girl loves herself a good sale. I got it from Champs and collected my points as well. So as you can see, the box is right here. Opening the box, these are how the shoes look inside the box. It actually matches my portrait back here. Look at that. But yes, so these are it right here. Okay. I got them in a size 7. So as I was telling you guys, I got them from Champs. They were on sale. They were actually $70. So, well, more than $70. So they're $69.99 plus tax, and I'm like, why not? Good deal right here, and they're cute. I'm gonna wear it with, they're cute. I have a little date night I'm going on today, so I'll be wearing these with the outfit and so they are size 7 in school grade kids. I know what you're thinking, girl, you shopping in school grade. I am an 8 in women's, but I don't give a damn. I will shop grade school if they have the size just because it's cheaper, okay? Judge me if you want to. I don't care, because at the end of the day, only God can judge me, period, okay? So I got these in a size 7. Usually I would get a 6.5, but they did not have any 6.5 available. They only have 7. So when I tried them on, they didn't fit too bad. I said with a pair of thick socks, they should be good. So this is how it looks. Sorry, I had to put in the box. So has the Nike sign right here. Air Jordan back there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Another Nike sign right here. Don't watch the laces. I've been trying them on. Okay. And I promise not to mess these ones up. If you guys remember last year, I also did an unboxing of me getting a pair of Jordans, and I went hiking with them. They've never been the same since. Mind you, I never tried to clean them, but I promise to take care of these shoes carefully. So you can see right there, size 7. We have the Air Jordans at the front here, and yeah, so that is a quick, literally the quickest unboxing I can give you guys right now, because your girl is going out on a patio date, and it's gonna be my first time rocking these shoes. I'm actually excited because I'm not really a kicks person. Like, I'm not one of those people who rock a lot of kicks, but I thought these were really cute for the price. Originally, I was supposed to get another pair of shoes, but they were actually a little bit more expensive. I'm not gonna lie, being a little bit cheap when it came to gifting myself. I know, never lowball yourself, never be cheap. Buy your shoes that you want, but these are cute. These are cute, and I like these ones. So there you have it, okay? So like I said, quick unboxing, guys. This is the outfit I'm wearing. I'm wearing a nice skirt from Aritzia. I'm wearing this Nike tank top, and this is what I'm going to be pairing it with. Okay, so yeah, if you guys like this quick unboxing, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, show your girl some love. Let me know what your favorite Jordan is and what Jordans you think I should cop next, or any pairs of shoes, because I love a good pair of shoes, honey. And yeah, and I'll be back with another video sooner than you think, okay? Bye, guys.